Right guys, I just want to show you an update on preparing the window for putting a PVC window in there. So what I've done is I've taken the old piece of glass, as you can see there, which is one pane of glass over there, and what I have done is I've framed it out with a bit more wood so it'll fit. I've also put some wood preservative on there. I'm also putting some sealant on top of that, and we've got some EPDM rubber here to protect from the weather elements. So that's what we're doing at present. Just wanted to give you an update on putting a window in there. It's not easy, it takes a lot of work, a lot of sanding. I've had to sand that down from 18mm to about 12mm, so it'll fit. And then once we've got the window in there, we will be using some expanding foam to fill the gap. So I just wanted to talk you through it, tell you what I'm doing with this, and I'll see you in the next video. Right, I just thought I'd do a further update on the window and talk you through what I've done, and hopefully this will be informative on how to put a window in. So what I've done is I've took the original glass sheet out, and that's all it was, a glass sheet. So I've decided to get a upvc window. So as you can see, it's just a standard left opening window, but what I decided to do is I had to line the actual frame with a wooden frame that goes up, across and down. Then I had to put some EPDM rubber on that, as well as I had to treat the wood as well. And then once I did that, I decided to have a look, see if it fit correctly. I had to sand down the wood boards that I had to put in to line out the original frame, just so this would fit in there. And then it was just a simple matter of putting some sealant adhesive on the EPDM and putting that rubber on the actual wood that I put up there, and putting the frame of this window in. And then to seal it in place, as well as screwing it in, two screws there, going into the wood,